Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox vertically on mobile. Roblox is primarily designed for horizontal gameplay on mobile devices, meaning there isn't an official in-app setting to force a vertical orientation. To achieve vertical play, you'll need to utilize either your device's built-in settings or consider a third-party application. This approach allows you to override the default landscape mode, offering a different perspective on your favorite games. We'll cover both methods to give you the best options. First, let's look at your device's built-in rotation settings. Access your quick settings or control center by swiping down from the top of your screen. Locate the screen rotation lock icon, which often looks like a padlock with an arrow. Ensure this feature is disabled. This allows your device to automatically adjust its orientation based on how you hold it. While this works for many apps, Roblox might still default to landscape, so we have another solution if this doesn't fully work. If your device's rotation lock doesn't fully achieve vertical play for Roblox, a third-party screen rotation control app is your next step. Head to your device's App Store and search for Screen Rotation Control or Force Rotation. Download a reputable app, then open it and configure its settings. You'll typically find an option to force portrait mode for specific applications, including Roblox. This method provides more granular control, overriding the game's default orientation and giving you the vertical view you desire. While playing Roblox vertically can offer a unique experience, it's important to consider some potential issues. Many Roblox games are optimized for a wider, horizontal view, so the user interface elements might appear cut off or misaligned in portrait mode. This could impact gameplay, especially in games requiring precise controls or a broad field of view. Experiment with different games to see which ones adapt best to a vertical orientation for the most enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.